Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aleo token. Name of the token is Aleo, A-L-E-O, and that is also the ticker symbol. This token just got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there is a new announcement here from 5 hours ago on Hotbit's Twitter. It says Aleo will be listed today, which is December 2nd. I was going to say November. December 2nd. This token gets listed today in the trade section. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search ALEO, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. The cool thing about Hotbit is, though, there's investing strategies on Hotbit where you can put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, lockups, you could stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on your tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code down there if you don't have a Hotbit account. That's where this token just got listed, and it, just in general, it's got some really good investing strategies for a lot of good tokens out there. So check it out. Now, if you want to find more information about Aleo, you can head over to their Twitter. Their Twitter has 57,100 followers, so they're doing very well. 707 tweets, pretty active on Twitter. It is at Aleo HQ. Pretty easy to find. It says, where applications become private, introducing the ultimate toolkit for building zero-knowledge applications. Join our Discord. And they also have a Discord linked on their Twitter as well. Now, their pinned tweet here from 12 hours ago, it says, today marks a significant milestone for Aleo. We have just turned on incentives for our testnet. We are getting closer to launching our mainnet, and we invite you to join our mission. Here is what you need to know and how to start collecting Aleo credits. So you can check out their incentivized testnet that they just announced there. So that's really cool. Now, if you want to find even more info, you go over to their webpage, aleo.org. Over there, they even have documents that you could check out. There's blog articles, there's developer documents, Aleo Package Manager, Aleo Explorer, Aleo Studio. Those are all for developers. And they have a GitHub on here as well. So this is where applications become private. It says modular and compliant. The ultimate toolkit for building private applications is finally here. Developer toolkit made just for you. Build with Aleo world-class infrastructure built for you and your team. So you can click on Start Programming if you want to do that. A complete pipeline for your application. Deploy with confidence from IDE to blockchain and everything in between. You can explore packages. So obviously this is very, very far from, a meme token with no utility. This has a lot of significant utility that developers can use. For their projects, and that's basically when you're investing in this token, you're investing in the whole ecosystem, obviously. So if you like what you see, then maybe it might be a good investment. Who knows, right? Depending on this, if this stuff is useful and takes off and gets more and more used in the future, we'll see, right? So develop with Leo, write your app using our programming language with ease, no cryptography needed. Iterate blazingly fast, so use our platform to compile and test frustration-free, complete on supercharged provers. and deploy to blockchain. Launch your shiny new app in less time than ever. Sit back and enjoy. Intrigued? Subscribe below to a newsletter. They have that there. So you can just put in your email there and you get a newsletter. They have a subscribe button basically all over. So at the very top of the page, it says, welcome to Aleo. Discover the first platform to private applications. Learn more. So you click on learn more, and that's going to take you to a different page. So it says Aleo is building a user experience on the web that is both truly personal and truly private. In the next decade, web services will be everywhere, living in more places than just your browser, and reason over every intimate detail of our personal lives. Our private lives have become more public and a more public commodity, and as web services evolve to become more personal, to live everywhere, we need to rethink how we control our data. And that is a major topic that's all over the place, is how people want to have more ownership over their data than giving it to big tech companies. Today, there is no such thing as private web data. If it lives online, somebody owns it. The web provides free services in exchange for personal data. This business model is obsolete and puts users at odds with web services. Users must hand over personal data in exchange for services to interact with one another in their daily lives. Service providers must manage sensitive data that risks their business if improperly stored, processed, or disclosed. This is problematic and should not have to be this way. Tomorrow, the web will become private by default. Over the past decade, new technologies to protect user data have become practical. For the first time, users have a choice. They are not constrained to giving up control of their data, and data breaches no longer have to be inevitable price to pay. And for the first time, web services can use privacy-preserving technologies to protect users while expanding the possibilities of their web experience. So that's what this project is all about. Privacy-preserving technologies will reshape how we see our data, becoming zero knowledge. First, zero knowledge makes web services secure. Second, zero knowledge makes web services compliant. Third, zero knowledge makes web services fair. This is merely a taste of what Aleo is building. The next steps for Web Designer. Today we are releasing a developer preview 2. To make it easy for web deployers to try Aleo, we are releasing a playground for Aleo. To make it easier for developers to get started, we're integrating Aleo PM into Aleo Studio for the first IDE for private web applications. And this is just the beginning. And again, you could subscribe and learn more. And then also, check out their socials as well. Their Discord is on here, all that type of stuff. So if you're having troubles with anything, you can communicate with people through the Discord. But yeah, check this token out. Just got listed today on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there if you're looking to get this token. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.